Leading a 4x4 trail ride isn't just about knowing the trail. It's about preparation, leadership, and keeping your group safe while ensuring everyone has a great time. In this guide, I'll walk you through the essentials of leading a successful group trail ride, whether you're taking on rugged terrain or cruising a scenic route. First, research the trail. Know its difficulty level, terrain types, and any potential obstacles. Always check for recent trail conditions and weather updates. Some trails require group or special use permits, so make sure you have everything in order before the day of the ride. If possible, pre-run the route and note any changes since your last visit. You can also use this trip to validate your estimated duration. Next, assess your group's skill level and vehicle capabilities. This is critical to ensuring that everyone is comfortable and safe. Make sure the trail suits the least experienced driver and the most basic vehicle in your convoy. Set clear objectives for the ride, whether it's a scenic journey, a challenging climb, or just a laid-back day in nature. Make sure everyone knows what to expect. Communication from the start helps avoid surprises. Prepare a detailed trail plan. Mark your start and end points, estimate times for rest breaks, lunch, and fuel stops. Flexibility is key here. Conditions change, so be ready to adapt. Have a communication plan in place. Radios, whether CB, GMRS, or ham, are vital. Choose a channel for the group and ensure everyone can stay in touch, especially if things don't go as planned. Before hitting the trail, conduct a group briefing. Go over the plan, trail etiquette, safety protocols, and any special instructions. Make sure everyone understands what to do and what to avoid. Review safety protocols. Emphasize the basics. Seat belts on, safe following distances, and when to use a spotter. And of course, check that everyone has the essential recovery gear and first aid supplies. Assign roles for the ride. You'll need a tail gunner, someone to stay at the back and ensure no one gets left behind. Have a spotter ready for tricky sections, and a communications lead to help manage any issues. Everyone should know their responsibilities.
Thank you for letting me borrow.
Set a comfortable pace, one that suits the least experienced driver or the slowest vehicle. Keeping the group together is key, so maintain communication and don't rush. Trail etiquette and environmental responsibility go hand in hand. Yield to uphill traffic, minimize your impact, and always follow tread lightly principles. Leave no trace and respect wildlife along the way. Challenges are part of the adventure. When obstacles arise, like rocks, water crossings, or steep inclines, take them slowly and safely. Use a spotter when needed and guide vehicles through tough sections to keep things smooth and safe. Keep the group informed. Regularly update them about upcoming obstacles, changes in the route, or stops. Encourage feedback and be ready to adjust the plan as the day unfolds. In the event of an emergency, like a breakdown or a medical issue, it's essential to have a plan. Know the nearest exit routes and have an emergency contact protocol in place. Safety first, always. Vehicle recovery is a team effort. Use recovery techniques safely and ensure everyone is on the same page. Teamwork during a recovery can make a tricky situation manageable. After the ride, gather the group for a debrief. Talk about the day, what went well and what could be improved. Feedback helps make the next ride even better. And of course, don't forget to thank everyone for joining. Remind everyone to check their vehicles for any damage, account for all their gear, and pack it up properly. A quick post-ride inspection goes a long way. Encourage everyone to share their media, photos, videos, even stories. It's a great way to relive the day and bond as a group. Hey, before I get to a few additional tips, if you found this guide helpful so far, please do go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel. Stay calm and adaptable. Unexpected situations will arise, but how you handle them sets the tone for the entire group. A cool head keeps everyone safe and positive. Finally, encourage a positive attitude. Make sure everyone feels welcome and supported, regardless of their experience level. A positive, inclusive environment can turn a good day into a great one. Leading a trail ride is more than just guiding a group. It's about creating an experience, building camaraderie, and ensuring that everyone returns home safe, smiling, and eager for the next adventure. So get out there, lead with confidence, and enjoy the journey.
Hopefully you all learn a little something from this video. I think that although it can be intimidating to lead a trail ride, with a little bit of preparation and planning, it's not as daunting as it seems. And once you get one or two under your belt, you'll find that it's an enjoyable experience. So thanks for watching, and have a great trail ride when you go and lead one. Take care.